Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to see private account on Instagram. Okay, first things first, it is essential to understand that when an Instagram account is set to private, you can view their content or follow them directly. You'll need to request to follow, and if they accept, you'll gain access. Beware of third-party websites or apps claiming to unlock private accounts. These are often scams or might lead to malware. Avoid them and don't fall for such tricks. The best approach is to create an anonymous Instagram account. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then select your name at the top center. Click Add Account to create a new Instagram account, and you can use your email, phone number, or an existing Google account. Follow the setup process and select a unique username. Once you have created an anonymous account, you can use it to follow the private account you are interested in. Search for the private account and click follow. This anonymous account allows you to request to follow the private account that you are interested without revealing your true identity. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now see private account on Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.